Welcome back. For this video, I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. So you want to begin by opening Facebook, then select your profile icon and click on Settings and Privacy. From here, select Settings, and in your main settings menu, underneath the option labeled Preferences, you should see dark mode. So you want to click on it, and then you want to turn on dark mode by clicking on this off button. So when you click on it like that, you'll be prompted to switch on dark mode. So you have two options. You can turn it on immediately, or you can choose to set it to automatic, and so it will adjust based on your device's display settings. So if your device is on dark mode, Facebook will be on dark mode. If your device is on light mode, Facebook will be on light mode. So it's up to you. Then once you've made your choice, you should notice dark mode has now been applied to Facebook. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.